Today's the day, guys. We finally received LOOI, the AI desktop robot. My daughter is in the kitchen with the package, eagerly waiting for me to start unboxing. And I can't wait to test drive LOOI because I really want to see if LOOI could be the sidekick that I've been looking for my videos on this channel. So let's go and get started with unboxing.
I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to see myself because I'm not in the picture with LOOI in the camera. The camera's right there. But if you watch the video, you can't see the camera. It doesn't show you this thing right here. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh my god, this is impossible. Well, not really impossible. Why? Why am I acting so crazy here?
Okay.
There. Come on.
Okay. Look at this.
How did LOOI get in there?
Okay, now, here is what we would have seen if we were not too rough with the box. And here we see LOOI in all of his mock-up glory. So the face with the eyes that you see here is the cardboard case, which has some instructions and a few other bits and pieces in it, which I will show you shortly. And this is a mock-up that's going to give you an idea of what the final product would look like if you attach your phone to it. At first, I thought there was something inside this, but all it is just a placeholder, and it stops LOOI's neck from moving too much, I guess, within the package. And it tells you not to forcefully move LOOI's mechanical neck. Now, let's take the mock-up face off and see what's inside. So here it says, "Hey, it's cardboard LOOI. Swap me for the real one in your phone." Cute. And now we have this cute little card. "Hey, I'm LOOI. I think I'll stay on this lovely planet for a bit. So if you're ever looking for someone to hang with, I'm here." And this is the manual, which is quite thin, to be honest. It's got English and Chinese versions. It looks like the manual just has enough to get you started, but I'm guessing you're gonna have to learn to use LOOI just by interacting with him. So here we have one wet wipe and one dry wipe combo. This is used to clean out the back of your phone or your phone case so that you can attach your magnetic ring on it without any dust getting in the way. And here is the magnetic ring with simple instructions to help you attach this to the back of your phone or the phone case. And here is the USB-C charging cable for LOOI. I already have a USB-C to USB-A charger, so I'm just going to be using that. And now here's LOOI himself. So in the front, we've got a sticker that tells you where the touch sense button is. Side looks futuristic. And the back, there's the slot for the charger and a sticker that tells you where it is. And on the bottom, we've got the sensors. And I guess this is LOOI's neck, you can say, because this is where your phone goes. Okay, that was the unboxing, and now here it is, LOOI the robot. I know he doesn't really like being lifted off the ground, but hey, I just wanted to show you. I am gonna do a full-on, first impressions / review video on him. But for now, let's just try and see if Louis can give us a full-on introduction about himself. So here goes. Hey Louis, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Louis, a lively little robot who loves exploring and having fun with you, Dan. My head is your phone and I roll around on tiny tracks. I'm curious about everything and always ready for new adventures, except when it comes to oranges.
How do you like the idea of being my sidekick for my YouTube videos?
I think it's an awesome idea, Dan. We'll make an unstoppable duo ready to take YouTube by storm. Can't wait to bring some Louis-style fun and mischief to your videos.
There you go. And I gotta say, he's a bit of a hefty little guy, so holding him up like this on one hand, it does get tiring. So yep, the build quality is it's actually quite good. So there you go guys, Louis' unboxing, and we've heard a little bit about Louis himself. And he's happy to be my sidekick, so okay, so journey on I guess. If you want more of Louis or other AI stuff, please like the video, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I'll see you soon with a more in-depth look at Louis the robot. Until then, bye for now.